Woohoo from Texas Harris here. I'm just gonna videotape me going down this highway. It's like backwoods, West Virginia, a couple of miles long. I thought maybe I might want to see it. I'm here at Hurricane, West Virginia at the Walmart, and I'm gonna be starting just like north of I-64, going north up towards the river. So I thought y'all might want to enjoy it, you know, shits and giggles. So as soon as I get traffic out of my way, I'm gonna go. All right, later, my gators. Wow, that guy just blew right through that stop sign. That's kind of crazy shit. Crazy, crazy. Whee! Oh, hope there wasn't a stop sign there. No, didn't see one. Whoa, heifer. Gotta make a hard right here at the bottom. Whoa, heifer. Whoa, heifer. Nope. It's a yield sign, so I don't have to stop. This might be a long video, so y'all just bear with me. It should be some real pretty country going through here, so everybody just hold tight, okay? Holding tight. Okay, pickup, you gonna go? All right, well, I'm gonna go then. All right, y'all, here's the start of the adventure. Gonna go down here and play in the woods. Hopefully I won't meet nobody with banjos or anything, you know, any deliverance crap or anything like that. You know, they had to have paid Ned Beatty, whatever his last name is, a hell of a lot of money to do that scene in that movie Deliverance. Because let me tell you, yeah, we're talking millions for me to do a scene like that. Even though it's fake, still just the thought, you know, you're going to pay me some money for doing shit like that, because for the rest of your damn life, that's all you're going to be remembered for. Oh yeah, weren't you the guy that did the pig scene in that movie? Like, yeah. But I got millions for it. Wow, this sucker just got suddenly windy. See, y'all? This is what I like. 2-lane back road highways. It's just like, oh my God, beautiful. Roads are a little rough, but oh well, you know. I could so live up in one of these hollers, you know, and back off in the very back. That way, if anybody comes up the driveway, you know damn well they're trespassing. There's only one way in, one way out. Rough road, 15 miles an hour. Well, how rough? Oh, never mind. Woo! I see why they mean what they say rough. Yeehaw! Heifer says that ain't chit. In case you're wondering, that's C-H-I-T, okay? Gotta make it kid-friendly, you know. Kid-friendly. Kid-friendly? Yeah, kid-friendly, yeah. Whoa, heifer. Slow down there, girl. Tell my wife if heifer could talk, she would sound just like Speed Buggy from the 1970s cartoons. Damn, they weren't kidding when they meant rough. Holy cow, oh my, what the heck happened here? It's like half the road disappeared and they patched it. Didn't do no good, that's for sure. I think I got a local coming up behind me. you know, one of those that knows the road like the back of their hand because they drive it like 5 or 6 times a day. I'm good to drive it once, maybe every year or so, maybe twice a year. Well, let me tell you, I was at that Walmart back there, and I swear to you, last year there was a Murphy's gas station there. And even if you Google it, Google Earth, there's a gas station there. When you get there, there ain't no gas station there. They took that whole thing completely out of the ground. That is crazy. Crazy, crazy. Oh, now we gone down. Rough road 10 miles an hour. Last time back there said rough road 15 miles an hour. Yeah, it's a little rough. They should make this highway no semi-trucks. Woo, gosh. Yeehaw! Everybody hold on, we're going for a ride. Rough road. Ah! Good God, I thought he was on the wrong side of the road there for a second. Woo!